Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Winter is coming. Although these last days have been pretty lovely, it is coming. And that means it's humidifier season. Because when the nose and other such things get all dried out, germs have a much easier time getting in there. So I have a humidifier. I carefully cleaned it last spring, and I carefully put it away. But I can't find it. So I decided, and I will find it. I had some others that, much like this, that the motors went bad on. Life brand from Shoppers Drug Mart, which of course means that they get somebody to make these for them. They don't make them. They just brand them. So we're going to unbox and see what we got here. Oh my. Okay, hang on. There's a plastic bag. Oh. There's a thing. By the way, when it comes to humidifiers, I do try and succeed in staying away from the ones where you need a wick or something else like that, because that means you're just paying for the thing over and over and over and over and over and over again. So I go for the Ultrasonic. Now this one is warm or cold. I am not sure. What? Ooh, the great advantages are, ooh, look, it comes with a little wee brush. So here, there's a little brush. Oh, it's got a little thing on. So here's where the magic happens, down in here. Water goes in, pulses out the top. Lovely. Now, this thing here, why is that sitting so funny? I don't know. Oh, wait a second. Yes, it goes both ways. Or directional. I suppose that is handy. Look at that. So basically, the idea now is, I take this part off, and I fill it with water. And then I put it, do this up tight, put this on here, just like so. And then the water should go down to the bottom, and it should come out. Let's see if there's anything special here that I should know. This seems a lot easier than the printer I got. Instructions for use. Important safety news. Package contents. To set up. Care, maintenance, and disposal. Oh, they've already got me disposing of it, and I just got it. Yeah. There was another one there I did look at. And it had like a humidifier thing. Heat on, heat off. Well, what does that mean? There's a button on the front. 4. And of course 4. Power mist output control. Oh, okay. Ultrasonic transducer. 3. Warm, cool, mist button. Cleaning the tank, disposal. Does it really tell me which way I'm supposed to have this button? No, not really. Oh, good. It will shut off when the water becomes low. That's an important thing. Shut the humidifier off. Yeah. Oh, shut the humidifier off before refilling it. Yeah. Rotate the control dial clockwise to switch the humidifier on. The LED power indicator ring will illuminate in blue. Turn the control dial clockwise to increase output level as desired. Oh, to activate the warm mist function, press the cool warm button. Look, press in. That makes sense. And the blue ring, okay. To deactivate, yeah. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the humidifier to fully change modes. Okay, so it doesn't look too terrible. At some point, I will perhaps see about... I have two others that are similar, but not like this. They don't have warmth. And I think all that's wrong is the motors. And you would think, in this modern era of let's not, create too much waste and not have to throw too much out, that I could be able to replace the little motors. One would think. We'll see. And this thing, well, I'm going to stick that in the miscellaneous drawer here. Here we have a twist tie. Throw it in the box. Throw it in the box. And there. Throw it in the box. Alright, so now I will take this downstairs and this I guess comes off, and I will fill it and I will crank it up, and hopefully it will help keep us healthy for the winter. By the way, this hat, I don't know if you can tell, it has an assortment of buttons from long ago elections in the United States. The button on the front says the grin will win. Jimmy in 76. Carter for president. And there he is. He just turned 100 now. Is he in great shape? No. But he's still around. The other ones on here are Reagan Bush asked me, in 84, asked me about Perot in 92. William Jefferson Clinton, 42nd U.S. President, building America's bridge to the 21st century. Clinton Gore, Jimmy 1 in 76. Murray Goldwater in 64. What else? Impeach Reagan Bush 84. America's Future. Villagers for Clinton Gore. Building America's Bridge to the 21st century. Clinton Gore. Trusted Leadership. What does this one say? Franklin D. Roosevelt and William J. Clinton. Democratic Integrity, 1979. Inauguration Day, January 20th. And then there's more bridges. My favorite is the peanut. I do have, this is kind of a non-traditional button hat of political buttons. Most of them are that red, white, and blue thing. And I do have another hat around with more of the red, white, and blue. Anyway, this was a rather simple unboxing. It's time to crank it up. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.